woke up. Actually, I didn't, but my alarm just rang, so we're gonna check outside if it's snowing or not. By the way, what do you think of this lamp? Because I saw a video of someone calling it a boob lamp, and now I can't unsee it. Kinda don't like the nipple part, but probably gonna keep that one just because it matches the vibe. So what I want to tackle today is all of my clothes, or as much as I can. I was supposed to get some more storage for under the bed, but they were out of stock. So, and also I hate these so much. They don't have any wheels, so look when I pull this out. Oh, because it's so heavy. I don't know. And because of the rug, it's like very close to this. There's just a sliver here, so I can't like lift it up to pull it out either. So I wanted to get some other ones, and I was planning to put these like furthest back with like, I don't know, Christmas decoration or something. Let's see if I can pull it back. I can't. So just to remind you like what my plan was for this room setup, I wanted to get like a desk right here, but I might not. The thing is, this isn't that big. Like when I put thick clothes in it, it doesn't fit that many. So I just don't know if the space I have is enough. Otherwise, I was maybe planning to put a closet here with mirrors on it, because I haven't found a mirror either. Because I was planning to put the mirror right here, but as you can see, the wall is like this, so it's kind of hard to fit a mirror there. So I'm gonna dye my hair. I was gonna do a test, but it seems kind of annoying. Here's what it looks like right now. It's not very sunny outside, but my hair's like very warm. The bottom, my hair's a little bit dirty now, but here's what it looks like. I decided to do a little test strand. I'm gonna let it sit for like half an hour and then wash it, dry it, and see how it looks, and then straight away do the rest. By the way, look what I made. I made a little beanie for myself, and I don't know what I'm gonna do with the rest. I think I'm gonna do some Christmas gifts and maybe some arm warmers. Good morning. I look absolutely insane right now because I have my hair up in a bun. I kind of want to do a reveal of my hair because I don't know what it looks like either. But look at this guy. Oh. I'm gonna wash my face right now. By the way, I have a pimple inside here. I had some pimples here. It's annoying because I use this Panoxyl. It's really good, but it makes my hands really dry. I don't have on my ring even right now. But if I stop using it, then I'll start to get pimples again. So, and I put this on my nails and between my fingers every night, but still, so annoying. I'm gonna let the skincare sit. I'm gonna brush my hair, sit here, and then after I take it out, I'll go to the mirror and check what I look like. By the way, here's what I used, but now I need to do my bangs. And I'm gonna check what I look like now. My bangs are always crazy, but let's see. It looks like my hair, my natural hair color. Yay. I'm gonna do my makeup so I don't look like this today, because I'm actually filming a little gifted segment. I got this. I haven't opened it yet. It's a tripod. So I think I told you about this. That's why I bought the MagSafe phone case. What should I wear with my new hair? That rhymed. But maybe not these. I kind of want a color, but maybe, I don't know. Maybe this green or the pink. I'm so cold. I'm like standing like this. I got changed, heating up paint. Found these pants from Japan. I think this is okay. It looks a little funny with a hoodie and long hair, but I guess we'll do our makeup now. I just finished filming the little segment. I'm so bad at speaking, but I think I kind of made sense. Anyways, I just wanted to mention here as well that you can get 15% off with code RABBIT off of Craft Geek on their website. I'm so happy that we got a little bit of snow, but unfortunately it's gonna get warmer this week. My nose is like disappearing with this angle, which is kind of good for me with my big nose. But I hate when my bangs do this. Ugh, I need to fix that, but whatever. I was thinking if I should do a quick little photo shoot, because I put like the tiniest bit of makeup on, which is a lot for me, and my hair is dyed as well. My bangs though, this side, like, oh, it's because of my cowlick. It's so annoying. I actually need to do stuff as well, like laundry. I'm gonna wash my stuffed animals. Anyways, I'm using the tripod, so I just wanted to say in this video, if you're using your phone, it's like so much better with this tripod. It is a little bit hard to like pull out though. I guess I can show you here as well. Here it is. It doesn't take up like any space. I'm gonna clean up a little bit, and then I think we should do the laundry. I'm just walking around with paint because he's so warm. I'm so sensitive to temperatures. This actually looks insane. I think I might need to move the bed a little bit like towards me because it's a little bit tight because of the slanted roof, or see, I guess it's a roof. Yeah. Oops. I kind of want to wear my hat, but it still has the umbilical cord or whatever it's called. I think it turned out pretty good. This quality is like horrible. I need to get a camera. My phone just can't handle the darkness. But if I turn the light on, it's like horrible light. I can just cut it. I'm gonna cut it. The hat might be a little bit wonky. I'm not sure, but it looks good, right? I need to take a photo with this. It's honestly been kind of hard doing my thumbnails when I don't have like photos of myself to use, so you guys know that it's my video just by looking and recognizing me. But I just take some quick photos now. I saw it. Wait. I'm still filming. I had like a piece of yarn. Oh, I love my hair color so much. This is so heavy. Oh. My shoes are like too big. ASOS sent me one size up by mistake, so they're kind of huge for me. Smack the butt. Do you want to see how crazy red my hands get? Or just my fingers? It looks insane, but it's because it's so cold. I also get like warm or red hands when it's really warm, but it looks insane. But let's see if my hair survived the beam. Now I'm gonna eat some Christmas bread and probably one of these saffron buns.